Hi, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Mga pala, papakita ko sa inyo ngayon ang ating topic. Ito yung ginawa kong trade plan. Ito nakaraang Sabado. Ito ang gagawin kong trade plan na gagawin sa Lunes. Bali, pinag-aralan ko na ito nung Sabado. So, let's do this guys. So, ngayon pala, babasahin ko pala muna yung disclaimers natin. Disclaimers: I'm not a professional financial advisor. There are probable risks and probable gain by doing stock trading and investment in stock market. Please do your own diligence. You are responsible to your self-action. You will hear words and see actions against general views and not recommended for general viewers. Parental guidance or advice. Alliance Global Incorporated, AGI, 4 times undervalued. Let's see with technical analysis. Okay guys, let's do this. Now you are in the front of my studied graph. As we see, we have already a pattern in the graph. First, our pattern is we have a double bottom patterns, and as we see that we have already made an Elliott pattern. So you will see an first point, point 2 and point 3, and the next point will be point 4 and point 5. So I did not write the point 4, but because it's already seen in our patterns where is the support, that's the point 4, and the point 5 is not here yet because our trade is to ride the trade on the point 5, going point 5. Our trade is going to point 5. So as you see, the support was strong, and I see the bullish divergence in RSI and MACD. Also, the momentum are strong. The EMA cross is already seen. Now we already seen the Elliott patterns of continuation, uptrend, momentum that I draw here. Currently, the price action are inside the channel. My target areas 28%, and that would be 10.31 pesos per share. The book value of these stocks is 36 pesos per share. I already checked the company valuation, and it was in 4x values. So this is very undervalued right now. Ngayon guys, tapos na tayo sa ating topic. Sa inyong palagay, undervalue ba si Alliance Global? Bibili ba kayo? Comment down below kung anong nasa isip po ninyo para malaman ko po rin po. At kung nagugustuhan nyo po ang ganito mga talakayin, comment nyo po sa baba para makagawa pa po tayo ng ganito at marami pang kagaya nitong topic. At isa pa, comment nyo rin po sa baba sa comment section kung anong gusto po ninyong stocks ang gagamitin natin example para mag technical analysis po. So, gagawin po natin yan. I-comment nyo lang po sa baba para lahat po ng inyo pong comment ay binabasa po araw-araw kung sakaling meron po kayong i-comment. So, ayun. Ngayon po, hinihingi ko lang po ng konting tulong para lumago po itong channel ko. Comment down below all your thoughts. Subscribe. Share this video. So, kita-kita po tayo uli sa sunod na panahon. Maraming pong salamat. Bye-bye.